Vasanta occupies a special place in Sanskrit literature. It is regarded as the most delightful season, Ritu Rajaha, the king of seasons. Vasanta Utsava, the spring festival, symbolizes joy, love, beauty, and the rejuvenation of nature. Sanskrit poets have vividly portrayed this season with rich imagery, emotional depth, and cultural significance. One of the greatest poets of Sanskrit literature, Kalidasa, beautifully describes the charm of spring in his lyrical work Ritu Samhara. He depicts nature blossoming with flowers, buzzing bees, and gentle breezes. Madhu dvirefaha kusumeshu ranjyate. The bees delight in the honey of flowers. In spring, forests become colorful with fresh blossoms, and the entire atmosphere turns romantic and lively. The poet presents Vasanta as the season of youth and love. In the famous drama Avijnana Shakuntalam, Kalidasa also refers to the beauty of flowering groves. Kusumita Banaraji Sriyang Bahanti. The rows of flowering trees carry great beauty. Here, spring creates a suitable background for love and emotional union. Thus, Vasanta Utsava is closely connected with romance and aesthetic delight. The devotional poet Jayadeva, in his celebrated work Gita Govinda, describes the sweetness of spring in relation to the divine love of Radha and Krishna. Lalita Labanga Lata Parishilana Komala Malaya Samire. The gentle Malaya breeze softly sways the lovely creepers. The soft wind, fragrance of flowers, and melodious songs create an atmosphere of festivity. Spring here is not only natural but also spiritual and devotional. In classical Sanskrit tradition, Vasanta Utsava was also associated with Madanotsava, the festival of Kamadeva, the god of love. Literary references describe people celebrating with music, dance, and colors. In the Bhagavad Purana, references to Krishna's spring sports and festivities reflect the cultural roots of the spring festival. It inspires poets, lovers, and devotees alike. The season signifies renewal, harmony, and celebration of life. Sanskrit literature presents Vasanta Utsava as a festival of nature, love, and joy. Through the works of Kalidasa, Jayadeva, and other poets, spring becomes a symbol of aesthetic beauty and emotional fulfillment. The celebration of Vasanta in literature reflects the deep cultural and spiritual sensitivity of ancient India.